Hello guys, welcome back to Crochet Crafts. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Lorraine, and in today's video we are going to learn how to crochet a crossed DC, a crossed double crochet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this tutorial, you are going to need any yarn you love, matching hook. I'm using a 4mm hook, and you're going to need scissors and a yarn needle to weave in the ends later. Start by making a slip knot and chaining a multiple of 2. For example, I'm going to chain 20 here, and you can make yours longer if you want a bigger swatch. So 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. We are going to yarn over and make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts as your first double crochet. Continue making double crochet into each chain across. This creates a solid base for crossed stitches. Now, when you reach the end, we are going to chain 3, and we are going to turn our work. Now, we are going to do row 2. Here is where the magic happens. What we are going to do is we're going to skip the very first stitch. In the next stitch, which is this one here, we are going to make 1 double crochet. Now go back into that skip stitch, which is this one, and we are going to make another double crochet. Just like that. That's your first crossed double crochet. Now we are going to repeat this a few times. We are going to skip this stitch here, and into the next stitch we are going to do a double crochet. Now we are going back into the stitch we skipped, and we do another double crochet. It's very easy and simple. Now that's another crossed double crochet. So into the next stitch we are going to skip the stitch. Into the following stitch after that we are going to do a double crochet, go back to the one you skipped and do another double crochet. So as you can see, we kept on repeating, skip 1 double crochet into the next, then go back and do this into the skipped stitch. It feels a little strange at first, but it creates this lovely crisscross pattern. When you reach the end of the row, if you have an extra stitch left, just make a normal double crochet in it and you keep the edge straight. Then we are going to chain 3 and we are going to turn. So we are doing row 3. So for row 3 we are going to skip the first stitch, double crochet into the next, and we go back and do the double crochet into the skip stitch. Okay, so let me do this one more time with you. Skip this stitch into the next stitch. We are going to do a double crochet. Now we're going back to the one we skipped and we do another double crochet like that. Okay, I have tips for my beginners. I suggest you don't pull your yarn too tight when you go back to the cross stitch. Keep your loops relaxed so your fabric stays flat like this, and always count your stitches to make sure you are not skipping or adding extra stitches accidentally. This stitch is perfect for many projects: cozy scarves, modern baby blankets, pillow covers, even stylish sweaters and cardigans. And that's it, the crossed double crochet stitch. Simple, textured and beginner friendly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our Crochet Stitch series. Episode 18 coming soon.